Okay guys, maayong hapon. Human naman natugtudlo si player atong mga wild animals ganiha karon dili napunta sa uri ng mga ibon or birds, kinds of birds. So ato siyang tudluan guys, or dili na ngay tudluan, ato lang gid siya ta kuanon pabasahon kung kabalo ba siya sa mga klase-klase sa mga ibon. Okay. Okay guys, tanawan ninyo si Pleo guys. 2 years old nga bata guys. And so bird this?
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Okay, yan si Pleo guys oh. Turuan na to kung anong klaseng ibon to. Sige. About this?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker. What this?
Swallow.
Barn swallow. This one?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. And this one?
Goldfinch.
What?
Goldfinch.
Goldfinch. What this?
Cardinal.
Cardinal. What this?
Pheasant.
Brasi. Breasted. Very good. What this?
Crow.
Crow. What this? That one. What kinds of bird is? This one. Look. That one. What's this? Parrot. Very good. What this? What this?
Dove.
Dove. Okay guys. What this?
Toucan.
Toucan. What this? What's this? Oh, very good. What this?
Eagle.
Eagle. What this?
Owl.
Owl. What this? This one?
Penguins.
Penguins. About this?
Miss Business.
Blue Kingfisher. Very good. Uy. Okay guys. Ayan guys. And this one?
Crane.
Crane. What this?
Egret.
Egret. Very good. About this? What's this?
Pelican.
Pelican. Very good, no? Ayan si player guys, no? Alam niya guys. About this? What kinds of bird?
Snake-headed.
What?